an action star with the backbone of a 60-year-old man. Look at that.
Well, I'm sure Jackie Chan is worse.
That feels great.
Alright, you want to slide down this way till your knees hang off the edge.
Can I go to sleep now? Oh, that feels great. Amazing. Sarap matulog na rin. Thanks guys for function. You guys rock. Thanks God.
My friend. So we're gonna put you on bike leg. So you see how your spine curves to the left, right? Just looking at the back. Your right side's the right side, left side, left side. We're gonna put you on the...
Step that perfect. And engage your core always. Good. Perfect. Forward. Okay. One more. Did it sa video. And cheers to health.
Yeah, again, I just want to thank Dr. Scott and Miss Erica. I'm really committed to having this chiropractic adjustment daily. This is not just for me, this is for my family, for my future, for my life. I want to live longer. So, guys, check this place out and see for yourselves. Enjoy.